I am Sierra Brown. I was always like a hands-on learner, and like I'd always be like doing things with my hands. I wouldn't mind getting dirty, and like whenever I was a kid, I'd be playing with like monster trucks and stuff, and watching like all the Cars movies. My journey to becoming a technician started from like a young age. Whenever I was working on cars with my dad, I was in a princess dress at one point. Yeah, I feel like I'm connected to my dad because of cars, and like that's the memory I have of him. That's like all my memories of him ever since he like died. He's always known that I've wanted to work on cars, and like even before he died. So like being able to fulfill that like dream, I feel like would make him proud. I see myself being a full-time technician, and hopefully being in a dealership, maybe in my own garage. I have no doubt I know I'm gonna do it. I feel like I would tell other students to just not to be scared to apply because you never know what you'll actually like get. Thank you for giving me a scholarship to become a Ford technician.